Naglabas ng paglilinaw si Vice President Sara Duterte kaugnay ng kanyang pahayag na ipapapatay niya sina Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos at House Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez sakaling may masamang mangyari sa kanya. Ayon sa Vice Presidente, wala namang krimen kung patay na ang isang tao.
My question now to the administration, is revenge from the grave a crime? They had to kill me first, so now they can't kill me anymore unless they want to die.
Mali umano ang pagkakaunawa sa kanyang sinabi o taken out of logical context.
Tossing the word assassin. Pakicheck, may sinabi ba akong assassin doon? Wala. So nilalagay nila doon sa narrative nila, assassin. And nilalagay nila sa narrative nila, murder plot. There is absolutely no flesh on the bone, and despite the absence of a reliable investigation, authorities were quick to consider this a national